State witness Vivian Cronje, the magistrate who took the confession of one of the accused in the Senzo Meyiwa murder case, is expected to be back in the High Court in Pretoria today. 5 men are on trial for the murder of the gunning down of the soccer star in October 2014. This at singer Kelly Khumalo's mother's home in Vosloorus. Let's bring in SABC News reporter Chriselda Lewis. Chriselda, this trial within a trial, certainly really interesting what's coming out of it. What have we heard as of yesterday, and what are we expecting today?
Well, as I earlier indicated in our headline, then Lady Magistrate Vivian Cronje, who is the third witness in this trial within a trial, will be cross-examined this morning. Yesterday, you'd recall, she told the court that she took the confession of accused number 2, Bongani Ntanzi, and that he confessed out of his own volition, and that he even had his lawyer present when that confession was being taken down. Cronje says that Ntanzi's rights were read to him, and he was given the option to remain silent, but according to her, Ntanzi insisted on giving the statement or the confession on that day. Now, Ntanzi allegedly made 2 confessions, Naledi, one to Magistrate Cronje on the 24th of June 2020, and another to a police officer. That is, of course, what we're hearing from the state itself. There is also an audio recording, Naledi, of that alleged confession to Cronje, and that was handed over to the defense yesterday. And the reason why cross-examination could not go ahead yesterday is because the defense wanted an opportunity to listen to that audio recording overnight before it begins its cross-examination here this morning. What we also understand is that that audio recording is about 3 hours long. So Cronje also basically telling this court yesterday that she took Ntanzi's confession on the 24th of June in 2020, and that at the time he never reported any injuries to her, but basically said that he had healed wounds he had sustained while working at the mine, and those that he'd also sustained when he was young. So this speaks directly, of course, to what the version of the defense would be, was that Bongani Ntanzi, as well as accused number 1, Muzi Sibiya, had been tortured into making these confessions. So we're expecting the defense this morning to begin that cross-examination, and perhaps some of them to even start on the day that Ntanzi had been arrested, and why it had taken so long for him to make his first appearance in court, and whether during that time, if she would have known if there had been any assault or torture that had taken place. So we're expecting that to take place here this morning.